Hi, good morning. This morning I would like to show you how to plant sunflower. With me here I have two variety of sunflower. This is the first of its kind that I'm going to plant, and the other one is oil sunflower, as you can see. So the technique is quite simple. This is the first seed of the first variety. Just make a hole. It's like a 1 cm deep. See? And then you just gently press the seed into the soil. Cover it. Repeat the same process. Make a hole of 1 cm deep, and then you just gently press the sunflower seed. Then you are done. It's quite simple. So don't forget to moist this seed. Normally it won't take uh, too much time for it to grow, just like the one that I already planted 90 days ago. Now it already sprout, just like this. I planted this seed 27 January last month, 2021. This is I believe this is the variety of this one, oil sunflower. Sunflower is very easy to grow. You can do it by yourself. For this soil I already mix it with sawdust or compost wood, so I believe it gives nutritional value to the seeds. This is the result of the sunflower that I have planted on soil, which I already transferred about 3 weeks ago, and this is the new one. about two about 1 week ago I already transferred it to the soil.